Everyone, in this video we are going to create a menu. Let's get started. First let me create a method. Create menu self dot menu bar. Menu self dot config self dot menu bar. Okay, here I create the instance of the menu class, which is defined within the Tkinter module, and I assign this to the self.menu bar, and I pass this self.menu bar as an argument to the class of Tkinter. Okay, if I don't configure these, then it does not show us anything. Okay, although we create the menu item and its command. Okay, and let's create some menu item self dot file underscore menu okay, self dot menu bar and self dot menu bar dot add cascade. Okay, and label name. Okay, okay, name of our menu items is file and menu is self dot okay self dot file menu. Okay, if I call this method and run create menu. Okay, now you can see this is our menu items. Okay, we does not add any commanded. So okay, if I does not do this and run, then okay, this file menu is not showing. Okay, now you can see. Okay, the meaning of configure is to show the menu items and its command to the screen. While we are creating labels, okay, we use a pack or geometry manager to place the widgets to the screen, but in case of creating a menu, we configure this. Okay, and let's add some command to the self dot okay file menu dot add command. Okay, add command label equal to new okay new file. Okay, let me copy this and change your label. Okay. Open a file and okay create okay file. Okay, if I run this, okay, I spell incorrect here. Okay, should be this. Okay, I apologize for this. Okay, now you can see this is our command. Okay, to remove this, okay, we have to pass one thing here. Okay, tier of equal to false. Okay, 0. If I run, then the command are not separated from the menu item. Okay, now you can see. Okay, and let's create another okay, let me copy this, set the time, another menu items. Okay, which is okay, how about no edit. Okay, okay, edit and okay, and label okay, edit and okay, no, there should be edit and should be cut copy and Just okay, let me create another menu item. Okay, which is about okay, about about okay, help. About us. Okay, I don't want this last one. Okay, if I run this, now you can see. Okay, we have 3 menu items. Okay, okay. Mm, mm, the okay, why? Oh, it cascade. Mm, okay, here I have to change this. Okay, it should be about. Okay, I forgot to change this. Okay, about. Okay, and edit. Okay, and now everything seems okay. If I run this, okay, now you can see. Okay, now if I run this again and try to do something, okay, this is not okay. Like here, if I click the command here, okay, it's working, but in our case it is not working. Let's make them functional. Okay, to do this, let me create a method. Okay, self, okay, which actually closed the window, opening window. Okay, and add command here. Okay, next. Okay, now okay, I have the command next. Okay, if I run this and click the next, now you can see our window is closed. Okay, like this you can add function to other command. Okay, that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.